Wow, I'm draw so easy anime. Have you ever noticed that when you draw male characters, it's hard to tell their age? They either all look like young kids or all look identical. In this episode, I'll solve that for you directly. How to draw male characters across different age groups. First, let's talk about the face shape for early childhood. We'll still use the basic method I explained before. First, draw a circle, divide it into 3 equal parts. Turn the third part into a trapezoid. Find the center line and connect the chin. If you're not familiar with this, check my homepage video on face shapes. For a youthful, childlike feel, when defining the face shape, shorten the chin. The eyes will take up a larger proportion of the face and look rounder. When drawing the ears, make them big and rounded as well. This will give a more youthful look. Overall, in early childhood, the upper face, forehead, occupies a larger ratio, while the face takes up a smaller portion of the entire head but a thinner neck. And keep the outline of the face rounded. It will look much more like a young boy. Next is the teenage period. During the teenage phase, features start to mature slightly but aren't fully developed yet. The chin becomes longer than in childhood. The eye's relative size gets smaller. And the face proportion relative to the head starts to increase. The neck also gets slightly thicker. Note here, when drawing the face, you can still retain a bit of roundness. Don't make it look too sharp or rigid right away, otherwise it jumps straight to adulthood. Finally, this is the young adult stage. At this stage, the facial bone structure becomes prominent. The 3 facial sections become more balanced. The middle section, this trapezoid area, can be drawn slightly longer. The proportion of the eyes becomes even smaller and narrower, more elongated. The distance between eyebrows and eyes narrows. You can add appropriate structural details, such as lightly sketching lines around the eye sockets and bridge of the nose. The nose can also be represented with a straight line. In young adulthood, the face shape is no longer round, but starts to show angles and edges. The neck will also be thicker and look more strong, masculine.